In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Microsoft Outlook email. We're going to walk through a very simple way to make certain words or sentences stand out inside an Outlook email. Highlighting text can be really useful when you want to draw attention to important details, key instructions, deadlines, or anything else you don't want the reader to miss. The good news is that Outlook makes this quick and easy once you know where to click. First, go ahead and open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, look for the Mail section and click on it. This takes you to the area where you can view your inbox and create new messages. Next, click New Email to open a blank email window. This is where you'll type the message you want to send. If you already have text prepared, you can type it directly into the body of the email. For this example, just write any text you want so you have something to format. After your text is written, the next step is to select the part you want to highlight. To do that, click and drag your mouse over the specific word, sentence, or paragraph. As you drag across the text, it will turn blue, which shows that it has been selected. Make sure only the exact text you want highlighted is selected before moving on. Once the text is selected, go to the formatting options in the email toolbar. From there, choose the text highlight option and then pick the specific color you want to use. As soon as you select a color, the chosen text will be highlighted. This makes it much easier for the reader to notice that section of your message right away. If you want your email to look clean and professional, try not to overuse too many highlight colors at once. Usually, one clear color is enough to emphasize the most important information. Also, it helps to highlight only the key parts instead of large blocks of text, since too much highlighting can make the message harder to read. And that's it. You've now learned how to highlight text in a Microsoft Outlook email. Open Outlook, go to Mail, create a new email, type your message, select the text by dragging your mouse over it, and then choose a highlight color from the formatting tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.